Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is truly the best portable soccer goal for kids and families who love to play soccer anywhere. Meet the Theresduet 2-pack 4 feet by 3 feet portable kid soccer goals. Whether you want to enjoy some soccer action in your backyard, indoors, or even outdoors at the park, these pop-up soccer goals are designed to make your experience easy, fun, and effective. Right out of the box, you'll notice these goals come in a convenient 2-pack, perfect for setting up a quick match or practicing your shots solo. Each goal measures 4 feet by 3 feet, an ideal size for kids and youth players, making them just the right challenge without being overwhelming. The dimensions allow for authentic soccer play, and the trapezoidal frame structure adds both stability and sturdiness to the goals, ensuring they stay in place even when the game heats up. What makes these goals stand out is their clever use of materials. The frame is constructed with lightweight yet strong fiberglass rods, making them much easier to carry and set up than traditional metal goals. The netting is made from durable Oxford cloth, thicker than standard soccer nets, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear after just a few uses. This combination means portability and durability go hand in hand with these goals. Setting up the Theresduet soccer goals is a breeze. They are designed as pop-up goals that unfold quickly and easily, so you can get playing in no time. Plus, with included storage bags, packing them away for transport or storage is just as simple. The package also contains 8 ground spikes to secure the goals firmly on your playing surface, whether it's grass, dirt, or turf, preventing them from tipping over during intense play. These goals are suitable for kids over the age of 6, but they also cater to young teens and beginner players, making them versatile for various skill levels. Their bright orange color isn't just eye-catching but also adds a fun and sporty vibe to your soccer sessions. In summary, if you're looking for a portable, easy-to-use, and sturdy soccer goal set for kids, the Theresduet 2-pack 4 feet by 3 feet portable kid soccer goals ticks all the boxes. They are lightweight for transport, robust for active play, and designed thoughtfully to enhance practice and backyard games. From weekend fun to skill development, these goals are ready to deliver quality soccer moments wherever you choose to play. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.